Hello children, today we are going to learn in EVS part 1, lesson number 8, value the food. So the first question that arises, why should we value the food? So first thing, we can stay without money, but we can't survive without food. People do efforts for making food. Farmers take lot of efforts to grow food grains. Then why should we waste the food good thing? That's why value the food. Now we have seen this that people do efforts for making food. As we know the example of our mother. She takes the lot of efforts and she prepared the food. She cook it for us. The next reason we have seen farmer take lot of efforts to grow food grain. Right? So let's see the efforts of farmers. How do they grow the food crops? So first of all, here in this picture you can see a plug, and with the help of a plug, a farmer is plugging the land and the bullocks are also there. So farmers plug the fields with tractors or plug and bullocks. So while plugging, then they crush the lumps of a soil. So whatever the lumps are there in the soil, they crush it out. And after crushing, the soil becomes smooth and proper. Then after crushing the lump of soil, farmer level the soil in the field. फील्ड में जो सॉइल होता है उसको लेवल में किया जाता है. देन फील्ड इज़ रेडी फॉर सोइंग यानी बीज उगाने के लिए. So farmers sow the seeds in the field. So here in this picture you can see a farmer has some seeds in his hand. He is throwing that seeds in the field. Okay, so with the help of the rainwater, after that sowing the seed, the rainwater help a farmer to grow the crops. So the next, if you observe, after some days seed sprouts. We know the example of a moong. When we soak the moong in a water, after that we can see the sprout comes out of it. The same way, when the farmer sow the seed in the soil, the sprout comes out of it. After that, after some days, seedlings are seen. That means the small crops you can see in this picture even. These are called as the seedlings. After that, after some days, the crops grow up. After that, the crops grow up. Then, farmer remove weeds from the field. Here you can see the weed. सो वेट को सिंपली वी कैन कॉल्ड इट एज द कचरा जो उगता है वहाँ पे धान के साथ. सो द फार्मर रिमूव द वीड्स फ्रॉम द फील्ड. आफ्टर दैट ears appear on each stalk. So here you can see the ears. Okay, these are called as the ears. Here these are called as the ears, and the stalk, that means on each and every plant. And grains form, और इसके अंदर क्या हो जाता है, ग्रेन्स तैयार हो जाता है. सो आफ्टर सम डेज ईयर्स आर फुल ऑफ ग्रेन्स एंड ग्रेन्स फुल्ली ग्रो. ओके, सो ईयर्स आर फुल ऑफ ग्रेन्स एंड आफ्टर सम डेज ग्रेन्स आर फुल्ली ग्रो, यानी पूरा धान बन के रेडी हो जाता है. आफ्टर द ग्रेन्स आर रेडी, द बर्ड्स यूज टू कम टू हैव दैट ग्रेन्स. So scarecrows, this is called as a scarecrow. So scarecrows are used to frighten the birds who come to eat food grains. Then here you can see in this picture, farmer cut the crops. It's called harvesting. After harvesting, the threshing process is done to remove food grains from ears. So here they used to cut that, and after cutting they tie it. They are making the bundles of food crops, and then they are doing the threshing process, and with the help of the threshing process the food grains are removed from the ears, यानी food grains को उसमें से remove किया जाता है. And at last winnowing process is done. Here you can see the winnowing process. Sorry, by mistakenly the spelling has been wrongly written. The spelling is WINNOWING. Winnowing process is done. So here you can see the lady is having a soup in her hand, and she is standing in the opposite direction of the air. Then she is winnowing it. The husk is कमिंग आउट ऑफ इट, यानी जो उसके ऊपर का हस्क यानी उसके ऊपर का जो कवर रहता है धान के ऊपर का वो निकल जाता है, एंड यू विल गेट द ग्रेन. सो आई होप दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड द कंप्लीट प्रोसेस.